Breastfeeding is a beautiful and natural way to nourish your baby, but there may be times when you need to use a breast pump to express milk. Whether you're returning to work, need to increase your milk supply, or simply want to have some milk on hand for when you're away from your baby, knowing how to use a breast pump effectively is essential. First and foremost, it's important to choose the right breast pump for your needs. There are two main types of breast pumps, manual and electric. Manual pumps are operated by hand and are typically more affordable, while electric pumps are powered by batteries or an electrical outlet and are more efficient for frequent use. Consider your lifestyle and how often you plan to pump when deciding which type of pump to invest in. Once you have your breast pump, it's crucial to ensure that it is clean and sanitized before each use. This will help prevent the growth of harmful bacteria and keep your milk safe for your baby. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for cleaning and sterilizing your pump, and be sure to wash your hands thoroughly before handling any pump parts. When you're ready to start pumping, find a comfortable and relaxing place to sit. Make sure you have everything you need within reach, including your pump, bottles, or storage bags for the milk and any other accessories you may need. Some women find that looking at a photo of their baby or listening to soothing music can help stimulate milk flow. Before you begin pumping, massage your breasts gently to stimulate milk production. This can help make the pumping process more efficient and comfortable. When you're ready, place the flanges of the pump over your breasts, making sure they fit securely and create a good seal. Turn on the pump and adjust the suction and speed settings to a level that is comfortable for you. As you pump, try to relax and focus on your baby or something that makes you feel happy and calm. This can help stimulate the release of oxytocin, the hormone that triggers milk letdown. If you're having trouble getting milk to flow, try massaging your breasts or applying a warm press to help stimulate milk production. It's important to pump for at least 15 to 20 minutes on each breast to ensure that you fully empty your breasts and maintain your milk supply. If you're pumping to increase your milk supply, you may want to pump for longer periods or pump more frequently throughout the day. Once you've finished pumping, carefully remove the flanges from your breasts and transfer the milk into storage containers. Be sure to label the containers with the date and time of pumping to ensure that you use the oldest milk first. Store the milk in the refrigerator or freezer according to the guidelines provided by your healthcare provider. After you've finished pumping, it's important to clean and sanitize your pump parts to prevent the growth of bacteria. Disassemble the pump and wash all parts that come into contact with milk in warm, soapy water. Rinse the parts thoroughly and allow them to air dry before reassembling the pump for future use. In addition to pumping, it's important to maintain a healthy diet and stay hydrated to support your milk supply. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help ensure that you're getting the nutrients you need to produce an adequate milk supply. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can also help keep you hydrated and support milk production. If you're having trouble with pumping or have concerns about your milk supply, don't hesitate to reach out to a lactation consultant or healthcare provider for support. They can offer guidance and advice on how to effectively use a breast pump and troubleshoot any issues you may be experiencing. In conclusion, knowing how to use a breast pump effectively is essential for any breastfeeding mother. By choosing the right pump, maintaining proper hygiene, and following a few simple steps, you can ensure that you're able to express milk safely and efficiently. Remember to take care of yourself and seek support if you need it, as breastfeeding can be a challenging but rewarding experience.